Along with the new Verity machines, we are also implementing a new curbside voting process. Each polling location will have one dedicated curbside voting duo located at the end of one of the lines. In place of a voting booth, curbside duos will instead have a gray rolling cart that acts as the booth. In addition, there will be a wooden wedge that must be placed under the duo on top of the rolling cart. Note: place the duo, still closed, on top of the wedge prior to setting it up. If you attempt to place the duo while open on top of the wedge, you risk seriously damaging the duo or any attached components. Once the duo has been positioned on the wedge, you may set it up. Please note: while setting up the duo, make sure the hinge on the left side of the case locks completely, otherwise the lid could fall suddenly and injure someone. Furthermore, when unlocking the tablet from its slot under the lid, keep one hand on the tablet to prevent it from falling. Position the duo in wedge, oriented so that the handle of the duo is facing the right-hand side of the push cart, like so. The duo is positioned on the side of the cart so as to make it easier to access for a curbside voter. We'll go over that process now. Once a voter has indicated they'd like to vote curbside via the buzzer, one of the judges, as well as one other poll worker, will head outside with one of the e-poll books in order to check in the voter. Once the e-poll book produces a barcode, the judge takes it back inside. From here, the judge uses the barcode reader and generates an access code. Note: use only the controller attached to the curbside duo to produce the curbside voter's access code. If the barcode reader attached to the other controller is used, you will not be able to use the access code on the curbside duo. Once the correct controller has generated an access code for the curbside voter, enter the access code into the curbside duo. At this point, disconnect the power cable and Verity cable from the rear of the curbside duo. Along with the push cart, you will need to take out to the voter one thermal paper inside of the secrecy envelope and one I voted sticker. Position the push cart parallel to the voter's car with the duo facing inside of their car. Give the secrecy envelope to the voter and instruct them to insert the thermal paper. Once the voter has concluded making their selections, instruct them to inspect their printed ballot for any damage or a printer error. If they are satisfied, tell them to place the ballot inside of the envelope with the lower half of the printed ballot sticking outside of the envelope. At this point, give the curbside voter their I voted sticker and return to the polling location with the curbside duo. Using the curbside envelope, insert the exposed lower half of the printed ballot into the scan unit. If the curbside voter would like for a passenger in their car to witness the ballot being scanned, they are permitted to do so. Once the scan unit has accepted the ballot, return the curbside duo to the voting line. Make sure to reconnect the Verity cable and power cable to the rear of the machine.